Okay, hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video we'll be solving this integral problem, right? So we have integral from 1 to 2 of 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x dx. So this is a definite integral. I'm sure you guys know that. So this is a definite integral, and then I solved something like this in my previous video. I made use of Riemann sum and the limit definition, but today's video I'm not going to use the Riemann sum, so I'm going to use the normal method in solving this beautiful definite integral. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. Okay, right guys, so let's dive into the solution. So the first thing I'm going to write down is to remind you how to integrate a function. Okay, so if you have this kind of function, you have x to the nth power dx, and then you want to integrate this. So this will be equal to x to the nth plus 1 power over nth plus 1, then everything plus your constant c. All right, so that's what we're gonna do here. So you're gonna integrate each term by term. So if you do that, we have 2 then into bracket. So if you integrate x to the third power, so you have x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1, then minus 5 into bracket. If you integrate x to the second power, you have x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, then plus the last one. If you integrate x to the power of 1, so you have x raised to the power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Then you apply your limit 1 to 2. So we're gonna have 2 into bracket 3 plus 1 will give us 4. We have x to the fourth power over 4 minus 5, then into bracket 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So you have x to the third power over 3, then plus x to the second power over 2. You apply your limit 1 to 2. That's cool. So 2 in 2, that is 1. 2 in 4, that is 2. So we have x to the fourth power over 2 minus 5 into bracket x to the third power over 3 plus x to the second power over 2. You apply your limit 1 to 2. Yeah, that's cool. So now let's apply the limit. The first is to, you substitute x to be 2, then minus, substitute x to be 1. This is what I mean. Substitute x to be 2, you have 2 to the fourth power over 2 minus 5 into bracket 2 to the third power over 3, then plus 2 to the second power over 2, then everything minus, then you substitute x to be 1, so you have 1 to the fourth power over 2 minus 5 into bracket 1 to the third power over 3 plus 1 to the second power over 2. So 2 raised to the power of 4 will give us 16, and 16 over 2 will give us 8. So we have 8 minus 2 to the third power will give us 8. So 5 multiplied by 8 will give us 40. So you have 40 over 3 plus then 2 to the second power will give us 4. So 4 over 2 will give us 2. Then minus 1 to the fourth power will give us 1. So we have 1 over 2 minus 5 into bracket 1 over 3. So 5 times 1 will give us 5. So you have 5 over 3, then plus 1 over 2. So 8 plus 2 here will give us 10. So we have 10 minus 40 over 3, then minus, so 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 will give us 1. So we have 1 minus 5 over 3. Okay, so 10 minus 40 over 3, the LCM here is 3. So you have 30 minus 40, then minus, the LCM here is also 3. You have 3 minus 5. So 30 minus 40 will give us negative 10. So you have negative 10 over 3. Then minus 3 minus 5 will give us negative 2. So you have negative 2 over 3. So minus and minus will give us plus. So you have 10 over 3 plus 2 over 3. So this will be equal to, the LCM is 3. So you have negative 10 plus 2. So that will surely give us negative 8 over 3. So that's the answer to the problem. Alright guys, so if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Audio Jungle.